In this exercise tutorial, I'm going to be taking you through how to do a plank, but on one leg. Now, it's all the same cues as your normal plank. However, what we're going to be doing is rather than having 4 points of contact with the mat, I'm actually only going to have 3 points of contact because one of my legs is going to be elevated. Now, when I come into the position, there's a couple of different variations we can do of this exercise, and I'll show you all of them in this tutorial. Now, firstly, when I come into my plank position, some people are going to prefer to have their hands together and some are going to prefer to have their hands apart. Either or is a way of doing a single leg plank. However, the harder variation would be to have your arms like train tracks as opposed to your hands together. And I'll show you that in this video. So when I'm coming into my plank position, I want my shoulders in line with my elbows. I've got my elbows shoulder width apart and I've got my hands on the floor. What I want you to notice now is the position of my feet. So when I'm in this position, I'm going to come up onto my tiptoes. I'm bracing my core here, making sure that my back is nice and level. And what we can do is we can do one of two things. We can hold a set position. So I could hold this for a desired amount of seconds, keeping my right leg, which is elevated, completely straight. And then I can go on to the next side, or alternatively, I can decide to hold, back down, alternate, hold, back down. So either variation, whether you're deciding to hold one side for a certain amount of seconds, then go on to the next side, or if you want to make it a little bit more dynamic by bringing one leg up, then the next leg up, and alternating to do more repetition style, it's both a way of doing the single leg plank.